Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Cash App and log into your Cash App account. So once you're done with that, once I've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply go to this money tab here on your top left. So my screen might black out due to security and privacy reasons as I'm screen recording. So when you get to this tab here, you will see an Bitcoin option there. Simply click on it. So when you click on the Bitcoin option, you'll see the screen here where it will let you buy the Bitcoin. It'll start the process to buy the Bitcoin. So simply click on buy Bitcoin, and then now what you have to do is just simply choose the amount that you wish to invest. So for example 10, and then hit on next. And then here, if it's asked, then it will ask you for your phone number or verification, so depending on your account. So just get that done. So once you get that done, hit on next, and that's it. You just have to confirm your investment or your payment, and that's it. You'll be able to buy your Bitcoin. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.